Hey radio friends, I'm Mike, Kilo Echo Zero Victor India Mike. This is the Travelin Ham. And today I got a challenge for you. I am wanting to lose mid-roll ads. I really don't enjoy them. I don't like them in other videos. They're growing increasingly annoying. And honestly, they don't bring in that much money. So here's my challenge. I have opened up memberships on my channel, and if I can get enough memberships to cover the cost of what I would normally make with mid-roll ads, which isn't much, I will turn off mid-roll ads on all of my newer videos and keep them off. So you can sign up to be a member of the Travelin Ham channel and put your name on a list of sponsors that will be shown at the end of each of my videos. Now, I have no intention of making any members only videos. I don't know too many people that do. There are some creators that will release their videos sooner for members. So if you see a video that says members only, there's usually some other date or indication of when it will drop for everybody else. And I don't want any of my content to be behind a paywall. None of my regular content anyway. So that's not the intent here. It is simply to replace those annoying mid-roll ads. So that's the challenge. Can I get enough memberships to cover my mid-roll ads? I'd be looking probably about 50 bucks a month if we just want to go out there and put a number on it. So check out my channel membership information and see what you think. Now, a lot of you aren't into monetary support, and that is fine. I totally get it. And again, there's not going to be anything behind a paywall. There's never going to be any obligation for anyone to support this channel in any monetary way. If you want to show support for a channel in non-monetary ways, engagement is the best way you can do that, especially small channels like mine. Drop comments, hit the like button. YouTube loves that stuff, okay? If you watch it, that's one thing. But if you're subscribing to a channel and you're commenting and you're liking your videos, that shows that the audience is engaged and YouTube is more likely to push out those videos to others. So if you're not into supporting a channel monetarily, that's the way to do it. It's the good old-fashioned stuff, and that is fine. I appreciate that as well. Another way you can support a channel without using any extra money is to have quick links on your browser, like bookmarks, to lists of affiliate links for a channel that you would like to support. If you're gonna buy anything on Amazon, click one of their Amazon links. Folks, you do not have to buy the product that's in the link. I've said it before, I've gotten commission for selling a Ring doorbell camera. I don't have a link for a Ring doorbell camera on any of my videos, but someone clicked on my link, went to Amazon and bought one of those, and I got a small commission for it, and that doesn't cost you anything. If we don't do that, we're just giving Amazon more of our money. If we click those links, then Amazon takes a small portion of that money and gives it to a channel that it could really use it, and it could really make a difference. So there's another way that you can support a channel without spending any extra money at all. Those links are awesome. And there's links to other things as well. I'm gonna have links to Lido radio products. If you're gonna order anything from Lido, I'll have affiliate links for those products soon. I currently have links for my radio gear at DX Engineering. You can use those as well. Great way to support channels, without spending any extra money again. But there's the challenge. Can we replace mid-roll ads with channel memberships? I think we can. We'll see how it goes. I'm Mike, Kilo Echo Zero Victor India Mike. This is the Travelin Ham. We'll see you soon.